In this video, I will show you how to activate the WooCommerce blocks in SeedProd so you can begin creating fully customized online stores with our drag and drop WordPress website builder. Let's get started. So if you're brand new to SeedProd and you're looking to get the WooCommerce blocks, you can head over to seedprod.com or click the link in the description below. You want to come over and click on Get SeedProd, and this will take us to the pricing packages here. We have a Basic, Plus, Pro, and Elite plan, and I just want to point out that the WooCommerce support for the blocks is only available currently in the Elite plan. So you go ahead and select this plan and create an account. And then once you have an account set up, we'll come over to the login page on the front page. Let's click login, and on the left hand side, enter your email address, your password, and click login. Once you're logged in, let's go ahead and click on the downloads tab right here, the second from the left, and we'll click on download SeedProd Pro. We also need the license key here as well. Let's click the icon, and we can go ahead and close this tab. On the left hand side, let's go to plugins and add new, and we'll upload plugin. Let's drag this zip file right here, or you can click choose file and select that zip file from your hard drive. Let's click install now. And on the left-hand side, let's click Activate Plugin. Next, let's go ahead and paste that license key right here, and we'll verify key. If everything went well, you should see a green success message. We can close this tab at the bottom. And there you go. You now have the Elite version of SeedProd installed, but the WooCommerce blocks will still be grayed out until you actually install WooCommerce. So let's go to Plugins and Add New, and we can just do a quick search for WooCommerce. Let's go ahead and click on Install Now for WooCommerce, and let's go ahead and activate it. Next, you'd go through the process of setting up your store details, industry, product types, business details, and theme. I'm going to skip the setup store details for this demonstration. Now when we head over to SeedProd and we can create a new page, either in landing pages or the theme builder, we have a page here created already. I can now scroll down on the left-hand side and I can see my WooCommerce blocks, and they're fully available to me to use. Now, if you already have SeedProd, but you have a lower plan such as Basic, Plus, or Pro, you can log into your account and upgrade it, and then you can come back to SeedProd, and on the left-hand side will come under Settings. After upgrading your account, you can then recheck your key, and you should see that the version here will update for you, and then it'll unlock all of those features such as the WooCommerce blocks. Now that you know how to activate WooCommerce blocks in SeedProd, maybe you'd like to check out these videos on creating a Disney Plus website clone or a Spotify website clone. By the end of these videos, you will be well on your way to creating incredible websites. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.